completed our bathroom design, it's time to crunch the numbers. How are you going with the budget?
Yeah, really good. I'm just putting some numbers down in Excel. Excel is a really good way of keeping track of your budget. And also within this one, I've put a 20% contingency. That's a really strong security blanket to make sure all your works are going to get completed.
When your bathroom is located on the second floor like this one is, it's worthwhile checking with a builder or engineer that it can support a full bath.
That's great. We both know renovations never go according to plan.
It's also a really good idea to reassess your budget when you finish your demolition works. That way you've got a really good idea of the full scope of works that are entailed for your job.